Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data in Minecraft. Minecraft is more than just blocks. It's a world rich with underlying information. Every item, entity, and block possesses unique data tags that define its properties, from a sword's enchantment level to a zombie's health. Learning to interact with this data opens up a universe of possibilities for custom maps, complex contraptions, and truly unique gameplay experiences. Let's dive in and unlock the power of data. At the heart of Minecraft's data system lies NBT, or named binary tag data. Think of NBT as a highly organized filing cabinet for all the game's information. It's a hierarchical structure, meaning data is nested within other data, much like folders containing subfolders. This allows for incredibly detailed descriptions, such as a chest containing specific items with unique enchantments, or a mob having a custom name and a particular health value. Understanding NBT is your first step to mastering data manipulation. To interact with this data, Minecraft provides powerful commands. The /data_get command is your window into the game's information, letting you view the NBT tags of any block or entity. When you want to change something, /data_merge allows you to add or update data, like giving a specific item a custom name. For more granular control, /data_modify lets you precisely alter individual data values. These three commands form the foundation of all data manipulation in your world. The applications of data in Minecraft are vast and exciting. You can craft custom items with unique enchantments and lore, far beyond what the crafting table offers. Imagine redstone contraptions that respond not just to power, but to the specific data of nearby blocks or entities. You can even design intricate minigames with custom mob AI and dynamic environments. Don't be afraid to experiment with command blocks and data packs. The more you explore, the more powerful your creations will become.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.